Secretary Rene Almendras, Mr. Mark Edward Tucker, Mr. Gordon Watson, Mr. Rex Mendoza, former Chief Justice Art Panganiban, former Prime Minister Cesar Virata, Mr. Jaime Augusto Sobel de Ayala, Commissioner Kim Jacinto Henares, Chair Tess Herbosa, Bishop Teodoro Bacani, Representative Roy Logones, Mayor Alfredo Lim, Board of Directors, Executives, and staff of the American International Assurance Group and Philam Life, fellow workers in government, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen. In June of 1947, Philam Life started its operations in the Philippines, less than a year after our country gained its independence. The vision then was for your company to be a house of savings, to help the Filipinos who were still struggling to recover from the ravages of war. You witnessed the development of our democracy from its nascent beginnings to the times when a corrupt few subverted it for personal gain, and the times when we won it back. I am reminded that the years before martial law, you were actually a victim before the rest of the Filipino people when a bomb was thrown at your headquarters on Union Avenue. After 65 years, we both have emerged, not in my case though, we both have emerged stronger, more able to serve the Filipino people. Today, Philam Life stands as one of the strongest pillars of the insurance industry and even the finance industries. And I am pleased to be here with you as you celebrate your 65th anniversary. Ventures that seek to empower Filipinos will always have my admiration and, more importantly, perhaps support. After all, our administration believes that if we invest in our countrymen and help them stand on their own 2 feet, we'll be better able to ensure success for all. For Juan de la Cruz, for companies like Philam Life, and for the whole country. This kind of thinking is not lost on you. A company who has found a way to balance making a profit with fulfilling a noble undertaking, empowering Filipinos to be financially secure and to achieve their goals. Through your services, you give our people a chance to guard against risk and uncertainty. Over the years, you grew to offer more than life insurance. With your work, companies are able to offer more comprehensive benefits for their employees, and parents are secure in the knowledge that their children will receive a good education. In fact, I heard that you have paid 5 billion pesos worth of educational plans since 2004, which translates to thousands of dreams fulfilled for Filipino parents and their children in the past 8 years alone. The good news is that you will always continue to benefit from the work you do. Having empowered the populace, you will then be able to enjoy the benefits of a very extended client base. Towards this end, I want to thank you for the work you do, not only for striving to fulfill your mandate, but also for going above and beyond what is required of you. Part of this involves the millions in investments you have made in the Philippines, from the South Metro Manila Skyway project to various investments in the energy and utilities industries. I am also told that last year, Philam Life spent 15 million pesos for various corporate social responsibility projects, the second largest CSR contribution in the life insurance industry. This money helped coconut farmers in Davao improve the marketability of their products and increase the environmental knowledge and scientific skills of elementary and high school students in Antique. This money paid for the school fees of over 500 school children in Lamitan, Basilan, and made sure that they had uniforms, books, and school supplies. I would also like to thank you for the 65 classrooms that you will be building as part of your Philam Paaralan program over the next 5 years. These classrooms will directly benefit over 3,000 students in that time and thousands more in the future. If I may say so, we will definitely not object if you want to review that proposal and eventually increase that number. All the help we can get to build the 66,000 classrooms that was bequeathed to me shortage is greatly appreciated. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you in advance. If you think that when building an average of 1 classroom a month is too little, Philam Life is at the top and one of the top insurance companies in the country. I don't see that changing anytime soon. May I ask only that you continue to do your work in the best way possible so that together we can go from success to success in our shared goal of empowering the Filipino people. Once again, I congratulate you on your 65th anniversary, and if invited, we will endeavor to be there at the 130th. Thank you and good evening.